Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through my AI Second Brain, which is called Cortex, which I'm continuing to build out inside Claude Code and Codex. It's getting more and more powerful by the hour. I've added a bunch of new features since my previous video yesterday, and essentially what I'm doing is I'm turning this into a $25,000 plus system, which I can potentially white label to clients. So enjoy the video, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's get into it. So first of all, I've got my project map over here. These are all of the different 27 projects that I've currently built, as well as the interrelations between them. And this is just coming from Graphify to build this out. It's a free GitHub repository, which you can easily grab. And from here, we can view the dossier on any of these projects. With the overview, the decisions, the radar, so that's basically what I would build next. I've created all of the MD files for each one of my projects with the tech stack, the current state and features, as well as the file structure and a bunch of other stuff. I can move these nodes around, I can zoom in, I can zoom out. So that's a pretty nice feature to have, but it's not particularly useful. It is pretty, but it's not useful. This is my Mission Control Center, where I've got my inbox, my library to browse all of the knowledge, as well as the top 3 things on my radar this week. So this is coming from my RAG-based knowledge system, which I've built using Claude Code and Codex. I've also imported my entire Claude chat history. Eventually I'm going to import ChatGPT as well. I'm still waiting on the file to be sent over. And this is training it on all of my knowledge. So if I come into library here, you can see it's pulled in my entire chat history from Claude in this case, and I've got all of the transcripts as well. And then I've built a RAG system around that. So for example, this is directly from Claude. We can see the messages that I was sending to Claude, and all of that data is available over here. And now if I want to actually ask the system, I could come over here. We've got Ask Cortex, and I can choose which chat I want to talk to. So in this case, I'm going to choose Claude. And now we've got all of the different collections over here inside Claude. So I've got a managed agent, which I've set up, which I'm calling the Cortex operator. And essentially what this is just for asking Claude. So it says, you are a Cortex operator, a read-only assistant for a private multi-brand business knowledge system. And now when I ask Cortex, it's just going to spawn a managed agent over here. In this case, we're using Sonnet 5 to do a lot of this stuff. So I could just come over here and say, tell me more about TubeAnalytics. And it already has all of the data that I've ever asked Claude, as well as a lot of my project files. So there we go. It's running Cortex Ask, and now it's generating the answer. It looks like it's already got an answer. We've now got the full answer, and I can also come back in here, and it's already saved that here as well. Eventually I will add a list of all the history of things that I've asked it. So that's really, really nice to have. If I have any questions based on my knowledge base, I can just come over here and ask them, and I will get an instant answer from the Claude managed agent. Under Spaces, I've got all of my main projects that I'm currently building, including TubeAnalytics AI Automation Station, which is my YouTube channel where you're watching this now, as well as some of the other online businesses that I'm building. I've got AI Income Lab, which is my school community, and some of the other projects. So if I go ahead and click on AI Automation Station, I can pull that up, and you can see here's the inbox, and it's pulled up the full transcript, which I've also supplied. I've got all of the transcripts for each one of my YouTube videos. This was just a simple Python script that I was able to whip up quickly inside Claude Code. So now that's part of my knowledge base as well. So we can see here's the full transcript for one of the YouTube videos that I've created, and it's pulling all of this into my RAG system as well. And we've also got a lot of my custom skills that I've built in for Codex and Claude Code over here as well. These are skills that I've built, and it also suggests new skills that I might want to build based on what I've already created. And this should run in the background. I'm going to come over to Contacts. Here's all of the emails from my school community. I've added all of these into my Cortex as well. And I've also created a campaigns tab where I can send the email campaigns directly from within Cortex. And I've also built in a way to verify all the emails using Mailgun as well. So if I click on verify all emails, it's actually going to say not available because it's only available for paid accounts. I'm currently still on the free plan, but eventually I'll be able to run that, and then I can make sure that all of these emails are actually valid so that I'm not getting high bounce rates when I actually send the emails. Another feature that I'm currently building out is the Studio, and this is using a Kanban form for actually generating the ideas, the scripting, assets, editing, and I can basically just drag and drop over here to show which phase it's currently in. And eventually, one of the stretch goals for this is I want it to just automatically generate all of the YouTube ideas from TubeAnalytics, which I'm currently in the process of connecting up over here. This is my powerful software as a service. It is the most powerful YouTube analytics platform out there, and it also has an MCP built directly into it. So what I want to do now is connect it directly up to Cortex. We're currently using GPT 5.6 Sol, which is the most powerful model in Codex. The Signals tab is basically what to build and shoot next. So it's got the build radar and then also the content radar. And it's suggesting new projects that I may want to build based on its entire knowledge base of all my projects. And I've also got the content radar, which is specifically for my YouTube channel. And you can see it's suggesting different YouTube videos that I may want to build. It's giving it a score. It's also outlining the video. And eventually I want this to actually go ahead and create the script as well, which potentially I could just feed into HeyGen and it will read the entire transcript for me. Again, this is something that I could potentially sell to clients for $10,000, $25,000, $35,000 for their own business, and I have history as well. So from here, I can easily search all of my conversations from Claude and ChatGPT. So if I just go ahead and search for YouTube, for example, it's going to pull in that RAG knowledge base, and we can see here's all of the instances where I was asking about YouTube in Claude. So I can click on this one, for example, writing business letters for general audiences, and now we've got the entire transcript over here of my conversation with Claude on that topic, which saves me from going over to Claude and searching through my entire chat history over here, which is just very, very, very time consuming. And now I've got all of that data directly inside my Cortex. I think it's already built most of this inside Claude Code, but I've currently run out of credits until another like 2 hours or so. So I'm gonna have to wait for that to continue building out that feature. But basically I just switch between Claude Code, Codex, and OpenCode to do all of this stuff. It's recommending to continue building out this TubeAnalytics feature, and this is basically just gonna connect up my MCP in TubeAnalytics directly to Cortex so that I can get access to all of my YouTube analytics data. And if you don't know already, this is TubeAnalytics, the most powerful YouTube analytics platform. Got the MCP built directly in over here from Cortex, and I can pull in all of the data from my existing software as a service using the MCP. So that's what it's continuing to build out over here. It's going to add the dedicated TubeAnalytics MCP connector, and it's also going to pass in my API key, which I've now supplied it with. It's just asking, does this architecture and data flow look right? I'll say yes. And now it should just be able to connect up my existing YouTube analytics platform directly to Cortex, and it's going to build out an analytics feature up here so I can get access to all that data. And then ultimately what I want to do with this is for it to automatically suggest videos that I should create based on all of the data that it gets from TubeAnalytics, such as which videos are performing best, which videos are maybe not doing so well, how to optimize my titles, my thumbnails, all of that sort of stuff. And this is just going to create the complete detailed implementation plan using the superpowers skill, which is built directly into Codex. We've got the complete detailed implementation plan for connecting Cortex directly to the TubeAnalytics remote MCP endpoint. It's going to import all the analytics currently exposed by the MCP, store the data in a structured historical model for reliable dashboards, while publishing grounded summary items for Cortex Search, Ask Radar, and Project Dossier. So it's basically just going to pull in all of my data from TubeAnalytics. It should be able to create a RAG system around it as well, and it'll just build out this entire thing over here. So all I have to do is take this superpowers doc, which is generated, and I could just say, go ahead and implement this, which is going to make this thing even more powerful moving forward. So if you're interested in building something like this for your own business, go ahead, drop a comment down below. I'd be happy to help you. And you can also check out my website, Automogic, where you can book a free consultation call with me to discuss building out a project to save you time and money for your business. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Take care, stay safe, peace from Thailand. We'll see you in the next one. Signing off.